basically just showing you before I do my makeup. Obviously, to get pumped up and do makeup, I'm listening to these AirPods with my kind of music, which I can't put that kind of music out. Where I've been at, what's happening in my life, what's new, what am I planning on doing, because obviously we're Corona lockdown-ish kind of. There's places where it's lifted, but you know, especially for me, since if you guys know me from work or from just know me, I'm very shy, very I guess quiet when it comes down to like things that I'm not really comfortable with, and especially if you're in the spotlight and there's a camera in front of you and trying to teach something, it is kind of different. So talk through what's happening in my life and then also show you a simple makeup look. I don't know, I mean, I asked my Instagram people, you know, what do you guys want to do? Do you want me to do a new palette? Do you want me a basic look, a soft look, a colorful look? But I mean, I guess like I still gotta kind of put myself out there. I might be using this ElfxCipotle palette just because it's simple. It's a very inexpensive palette. Basically, obviously, does have my brown, which, sorry, right here, and then this brown, a little bit of shimmer. I haven't messed around with these two, but I did create two different looks with this palette, and I really like it. If you guys want to watch that, I'll probably link a video right above me. If you like this video and you guys follow me on Instagram, I'll be posting also my Instagram in my description bar, and comment on this video, and then I'll hit you up with, you know, you guys want this palette. Stay tuned, kind of. BRB. I will be right back. I'll be using this palette, which is this one, and this one I'll be creating this look. So I will show you the steps that I need to do to create this look. It's right here. It's like, hey, I need that really bad, because obviously, well, you guys can't see it, but you know, I use my back of my hand as a palette, and these are literally like, they're papers, and right, and then this one, then you grab the back of it and it's like a clear tape. So then with that one, you're going to place it on your hand, and then you pull this, so it literally peels down. And then when you peel it down, it's like this clear. It's the most amazing, like, it's gonna help me. Look, see? So I'm gonna use my P. Louise, and I'm just gonna probably use a little small, obviously, right? So it's placed there. And this one, will be placing this all over my eyelid. And so I'm going to try and talk through this while I do my makeup. Brush flat like this one, and then I'll be going with this color right here, which is black beans. Start off. So then I will be placing that dark eyeshadow just kind of like where you open and close your eyes. So as I was saying, I wanted to talk to you guys about where I've been at, what I've been up to, what's up. Corona stopped literally my whole life because I had a good job. I worked at LAX. People knew that I worked at LAX, and I felt very happy. You know, it was I wouldn't say my dream job, but it didn't seem like a job. Let's just put it that way. And many of you know that I used to I work, well, technically I'm a chef. I like cooking, but I love makeup. I can't choose. Like I love both because I think I'm very, very creative. I think that's one of the things that I really like. That's my you know, my jam is the creativeness. I think that was one of the reasons why I didn't feel my job was a job at LAX. Tom Bradley, if you know, you know. And if any of you are watching and you guys know me from doing your sushi and making your food, then comment down below or like my video. And really enjoyed creating rows of just uniqueness, love, and deliciousness of inside. And I personally love sushi, and I personally love, you know, cooking, but I also love makeup. And in my couple years that I worked there, you know, I had my servers, my cooks, and you know, your makeup's always on point. Your makeup's so pretty. I love your makeup. When are you gonna do my makeup? And blah blah blah. And I was like, oh my god, when? I don't have time. I don't have time, because driving there was a whole different story, and then going home was a different story, you know. And seeing a lot of people at work and meeting people, and I enjoy that. But right now, I mean, maybe trying something new, you know. Corona just opened a lot of, closed down, but opened a lot of possibilities. So for me right now, I love, you know, the chill mode, but at the same time I look at it as you're never going to have this free time without requesting it off, you know what I mean? I just see it as a positive side, and enjoying this time where I could go to my mom's house and cook for her. Well, actually, no, I haven't really, no, I've never done that. I never cooked for my family. I never had the chance to cook for them because I was always on the, so right now it's just, it's good. It's good, like I like it. So then I went to my pinto beans, this one right here. I went to this one. So I did this, and then I did this one. I created the smoky. So it's basically just blending that color outwards and blending all of that color in together. Just basically that's what I did. Okay, this right here, this is the Too Faced glue, very flat shader brush, and then just, since I really have very small eyelids, and if there's like little like chunkiness of this product, it's fine. I don't, you know, because I rather have the glue catch this fallout than not catch it. And brown rice, can't see this one right here, this one's brown rice. So that one I'm just gonna pack it in on top of my eyelid. And then you have to work very quickly because it's glue, and the longer you wait on putting the eyeshadow on top of the glue, the less the pigment that you're putting on top. I just basically just literally pack that in. Pack it in. Will be this one right here. And this is a Tarte, and it basically comes like this, like a flat. Doing my eyeliner. I do my mascara. After I do that, I'll be using my eyelashes. Oh, and then also the lash. It's called Lash XO adhesive, eyelash adhesive. This one, I got this one in Amazon, but it's a sparse kind of brush like this. It's very small, and I'll be using Pinto Bean, which is this one right here, a little bit under my eye. And so yeah, I've been just dealing with COVID and dealing with I can't do this and I can't do that, and I do this and I can't do that, you know. So magic pencil, and it's dark hand on top of my hand, so it's basically this dark nude, and this is magic pencil underneath my eyes, my eyeliner, my waterline, and just I almost forgot about it. Don't forget your eyelashes. And then this, I usually place it the middle part, and then do the outer, and then do the inner. This color, it's called brown rice. This one right here, brown rice. And I'm going for a little bit on the inner corner of my eyelid, just to give it a little bit pop. So then I just place it there. And go back to my mascara and put a little bit of mascara underneath my eyes, and I should be already done.